Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to start with the fifth line. Okay, first one question. See here we need to simplify, right? So to simplify, what I'll do, I'll send these both numbers which is in the denominator to the numerator. As we know that whenever I'll send to the numerator, here it is the division, it will convert to the multiplication. So I'm sending and I'm arranging at a time. When a goes to the numerator, it will become plus 2 to minus 2, and this side into b, which is there 2 already, and now let me send to numerator. So when I'll send it, will become plus 3. Now both bases are same, so what we can do, we can add the powers, right? So 5 plus in the bracket minus 2. Okay, and this side here both bases are same, that we can, that powers we can add, right? Like p raised to the power 2 plus 3. Now see here for the a, plus minus minus, so I'll get 5 minus 2, and this side b raised to the power 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 2, I'll get 3. So since we will get the answer, that is a raised to the power 3 into b raised to the power 5 after simplification this. Okay, now question number 2. See here we are having here division sign. So what we need to do, we need to convert to multiplication. So here reciprocal happens, that I'll get 1 by 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 y raised to the power 3. Now 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. Okay, and see here 8 y are there, and here 3 y's are there. So in out of 8, if 3 y's are cutted, how much will left get? Okay, we will left with the 5. So what is the answer? We will get 5 into y raised to the power 5. Okay, now in this third question, see here 10 raised to the power 10, sorry, x raised to the power 10, y raised to the power 6. Now let me convert division to multiplication. So we need to do reciprocal here. So I'll get 1 by x raised to the power 3 y raised to the power minus 2. Okay, now see here what we can do. Here total 10x are there, and here total 3x are there. If I did 10 minus 3, how much left? 7, right? So x raised to the power 7. Now here what we can do, if I send 5 raised to the power minus 2 to the numerator, it will become 5 raised to the power plus 2. Here both bases are same, so what we can do, we can add the powers. So when I'll add 6 plus 2, I'll get 8. That is y raised to the power 8. So after simplification, we will get, that is x raised to the power 7 into y raised to the power 8. Next question number 4. See, to simplify that, 5 z raised to the power 16 division to multiplication. So we need to do reciprocal here. That is 1 by 15 z raised to the power minus 11. Okay, now 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So what left here? This side 1 by 3, and what I'll do, here is z raised to the power 16, and I'll send to the numerator. When I'll send to the numerator, it will become z raised to the power plus 11, right? So further 1 by 3, let it be as it is. So whenever the bases are the same, what we will do, we will add the numerators. So after addition of this 16 plus 11, how much I'll get? Into z raised to the power 6 7, that is 27. So simply we can write z raised to the power 27 by 3. Next question number 5. See here 36, I can write 6 raised to the power 2. It means 6 6 is 36, and x square and bracket complete raised to the power 1 by 2. Now here both powers are same, so what we can do, we can take the common. So after taking common 2 outside, so what we will get, raised to the power 2 into, and this 1 by 2. Okay, now this 2 to get cancels, what left? Only power 1. Since answer we will get, that is 6x. Okay, now question number 6. See here 125, we can write 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, and here x raised to the power minus 3. Now let me send to the denominator, it will become x raised to the power 3. Now put a bracket and the power, that is 1 by 3. Now both powers are same, so what we can do, we can take the common. So only in the bracket it is left with 5 by x, bracket complete, and 3 has been taken outside, and one more power it is there, that is 1 by 3. Now 3 3 get cancels, what left? The power is only 1, so we can just 5 by x. Okay, now question number 7. See here it is power negative, it is there. Now let me do positive. For that we need to send to the denominator. So when I'll send, it will become 5 raised to the power plus 3, put a bracket, and raised to the power minus 2. Further we will do the reciprocal. For that 5 raised to the power 3, I'm sending to the numerator. Okay, so this time it is not going to change from positive to plus, because we are looking at this power. Okay, because of that we are doing a reciprocal, so in this time it is not going to change the powers. Now at the denominator, numerator comes to the denominator, that is 2x square. Now minus 2, it will become a plus 2. Now further y, 3 2 is 6, that is y raised to the power 6, and here 2, this actually this 2 is applicable for both, right? That I'll get 2x square, it is applicable for both. It means 2 square into x raised to the power 2, and again that we are having power 2. Okay, so 2 2 is 4, and here 2 2 is 4, it means x raised to the power 4. So here I'll get 4 into x raised to the power 4. So simply, sorry, it is not comes here, it is comes in the denominator, that is 4 raised to the power 4 into x raised to the power 4. Okay, now question number 8. See here 27, we can write 3 raised to the power 3, right? And here it is having negative power, let me set to the denominator, so it will become x raised to the power 3, and here y raised to the power 6, we can write 3 into 2, like y raised to the power 3 into 2. Okay, now put a bracket. Now here it is 2 by 3. Now as you can see here 3 3 3, we can take the common. So after taking common, what left in the bracket? Only 3, and here out of this 3 to 3 we are taking common, so y it is left with the power 2. Now here only x. Okay, now 3 comes outside, and 2 by 3, this 3 3 get cancels. What left? 3 into y raised to the power 2 by x, and we left with power only 2. Now we will apply this 2 for the all the numbers. Okay, so when I'll multiply 3 double times, I'll get 9, and y 2 to the 4, and in the denominator I'll get x square. Okay, now we will left with the last question. See here, okay, we are having here power negative sign, so let me write this as it is, that is minus 2 into x raised to the power 2 by 3, and I'm sending this down, so I'll get 5 y raised to the power 3 by 2, bracket complete, and raised to the power 6. See here, this 6, it will applicable for all these 3 numbers. So when I'll open up, I'll get 2 raised to the power 6 into, okay, into, and meanwhile this 6 is applicable for complete this minus 2, and here this side x raised to the power 2 by 3 into this 6. Okay, now divided by y raised to the power 3 by 2 into 6. Okay, now see here, here it is the even number, so obviously after multiplication we will get the positive number, that we know. And here 2 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. I'll get plus 64 into 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. What left in the numerator? 2 into 2. So I'll get x raised to the power 4, and in the denominator 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and what left? 3 3s are 9. Hence we got the answer, that is 64 into x raised to the power 4 by y raised to the power 9. Next main, sixth one, that is simplify. See here, here is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so whenever we will get a plus b or a minus b in this combination, we will get that is a square minus b square, right? So we will apply for this. So here I'll get that is a square minus b square into x. Here I'll get b square minus c square, okay, into x. Here I'll get that is c square minus a square. Now all the bases are same, so what we can do, we can add the powers, right? So here first power is that is a square minus b square, plus second power is that is b square minus c square, and third power we are having that is c square minus a square. Okay, now see here, plus a square minus a square get cancels, minus b square plus b square get cancels, here minus c square plus c square get cancels. So what left in the power? That is 0. So the answer will be 1. Why? Whenever the powers we are having 0, the answer will be always 1. Now let's start with the seventh main, simplify in that first question. Okay, see here, this question is 5 square root of x raised to the power 20 into y raised to the power minus 10 into z raised to the power 5 divided by x raised to the power 3 by y raised to the power 3. See, before simplify this, we know some things, that is, see here, if it is square root of 2, here nothing it is there, remember there will be 2. Okay, so if I'm writing just square root of 3, it means there is a 2. So square root of 2, we can write 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, similarly 3 square root of 2, we can write 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. This is it. So here we are having 5 square root of everything, so this we can write in the power of 1 by 5. Okay, if it is here x, so we will get x raised to the power 1 by 5. So we will apply here. So here I'll get that is x raised to the power 20, y raised to the power minus 10, z raised to the power 5, bracket, put a bracket, and here it is 1 by 5. Okay, and this side remaining will be, let me write as it is first, okay, that we will simplify later. Now here this 1 by 5, we know that it will be applicable for all these three. Okay, now let's open that. 20 into 1 by 5. Okay, and here y raised to the power minus 10 into 1 by 5, and z raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Okay, and this side again as it is, that is x raised to the power 3 by y raised to the power 3. Now see here, 5 1s are 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 2s are 20. Here 5 5 get cancelled. So what left here? Let me write here clearly that x only we left with the 4, right? So that is 4 into y raised to the power, what left here actually it is, here it is actually minus sign, right? That is I'll get now, that is power minus 2 into z raised to the power, nothing it is there, just let me write 1. Okay, now further see here, and this is division sign, no, let me convert to multiplication. So now 5 goes to the y goes to the numerator, x comes to the denominator. Okay, further see here, what we can do. Okay, see here 4x are there, here 3x are there. So if I cancel 3x from the denominator, if I cancel 3x from the numerator, how many x left now? Only 1 x left. And here see here, both bases are same, right? Both bases are there same. We can add, that is minus 2 plus 3. So how much I get? That I'll get 1. So what left here? Only left with the y. Now we have already 1 z and its power is 1. Okay, so what left? X, y, z. Yeah, check it. Here it is only 1x, here it is y, and it is z. So answer we found, that is x, y, z. Now we have question number 2 from the 7th min. Okay, see here the power switch is in the fraction, right? Now 256, how we can write? In the form of base plus power. So let's find it from the short division method. Okay, this is even number, it comes in the 2's table obviously, and start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 are left with 1, 2 8s are 16, further 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, further 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, now 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and here 2 1s are 2. Okay, see here, so for 256, how we can write? That is 2 raised to the power, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it means when I'll multiply 2 8 times, we are going to get, that is 256. Okay, now and remaining everything is same by, okay, before that 81, how we can write 81? That also we can write in the base plus power. So 81, now start with the 3, it is odd number, right? 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6 left with the 2, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, sorry 3, now 3 3s are 9, and here 3 1s are. So 81 we can write 3 raised to the power 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is 4, and b raised to the power 4. Okay, see here in the denominator we are having 4. Okay, so it means we need to take a 4 common from this, right? So what we can do, let me complete this, minus 3 by 4. Okay, for that what I'm doing, just this 8 I'm writing 8 4 2 is 8, right? It means 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 I'm writing, that is 4 2 is 8. Meanwhile 16 I'm writing 4 4 is 16. Okay, by 3 raised to the power 4 and b raised to the power 4, it will remain as it is, and here there is minus 3 by 4. Now from this we will take 4 common, okay, from all these number. It means 2 raised to the power, after this 4 and 2, if I taken 4 common, only left with the 2. Similarly here a raised to the power 4, and in the denominator it is left with only 3 and b, bracket complete, and 4 comes out now, into minus 3 by 4. Now 4 4 get cancels, right? Now see here the power is minus 3, this number is having minus 3 power. So what we can do, we will do the reciprocal of that. So when I'll do the reciprocal of that, now 3b comes to the numerator, right? So we will get 3b by 2 raised to the power, I can write 2 2s are 4, a raised to the power 4, bracket complete, now it comes the plus 3, right? Now further 3 we will multiply 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and when I'll open the bracket, no, b it will get, that is also 3. Now see here, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, and a raised to the power 4 into 3, that is 12. Therefore we found that is 27 into b raised to the power 3 by 64 into a raised to the power 12. And in this video I have covered 5th, 6th and 7th main. Okay, and in next video I am going to start with the 8th main. Thank you.